Want something fun and different for breakfast? That also keeps you filled for the rest of the day. Attempt making Cilbir in my style. Simple and straightforward to make with basic ingredients. Boil eggs for 5 minutes. Then ice bathe them straight away to stop them from overcooking. In a bowl, add some yogurt. Add garlic powder, salt, pepper, and dried dill. Mix and keep aside. Mix paprika, cumin powder, and chili flakes to regular oil. Grab your seasoned yogurt. Remove the shells from the boiled eggs and cut them into halves. Running eggs are ideal for this recipe. Placed eggs in the yogurt. Warm up the chili oil we prepared and pour over the eggs and yogurt. Sprinkle some parsley for fun and enjoy. This is protein-packed, no carbs. Excellent for all my gym buddies.